Let's Pretend Kids!
Hey guys! Welcome back to Let's Pretend Kids. This is my third Lego sorting video, and in the previous two I showed you my specialty pieces. Now I'm going to show you the rest. Okay, what you're looking at right now are what I call my super sorted pieces. These have been sorted by color and by piece type. So these are 1x1s, 2x2s, plates, bricks, curved pieces, translucent pieces. Okay, so for this I used an old computer parts storage rack. It was just the industrial gray when we got it, but I painted it this reddish orange, laid down some shelf liner. And the great thing about it is because it's metal, I can use magnets on the side to hold extra bags of more obscure colors. Now you can see some colors have more bins than others, obviously white, gray, dark gray. And then black has its own section, I'll show you in a minute. But within these, I also use bags to separate out certain pieces. And as you can tell, I don't have labels on mine. And that's because, like I mentioned in another video, I like to work in the living room on the floor. What I'll do is I'll grab all the bins of a color, I lay them out, and I work from them like that. But what ends up happening is I end up switching out the bins quite often as I transfer one into another, looking for certain pieces. So it's just easier for me not to have the labels on there. And also because the colors grow so often, we might start with a small bin for a color and then we'll have to transfer into a bigger bin. Now these are, for the most part, these are shoe containers. Usually come with lids. We have the lids, just we don't put them on. And then we also have some of the taller ones. We've got some of these like garage bins. And then over here you can see this is the bin we're currently working on. And you can see I've got, so these are just sorted by color. But then down here at the bottom, I still have some I gotta sort. And then we have this container here where I keep wheels, tires. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a little bit more in depth how they're sorted. So this is black, obviously, and so we have our flat pieces here, our bigger plates here, and here we have our connector type pieces, some railroad track. Get to those in a second. Here we have our sloped pieces. Okay, and then we have our 2x2s. So these are anything that is the size of a 2x2 or a 2x2 with any kind of connector. In here we have doors and windows. Technic pieces. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there we go, a little bit. And what I call the sticks. I'm sure my husband would not like that, but that's what I call them. Going back to our 1x1s, I don't know if you guys wanted to see kind of glorious that looks. And finally, here are some of the bigger bins. Oh, okay, there we have our bricks. Okay, these are some of the miscellaneous pieces, I would say. And then these are the smaller miscellaneous pieces. Before any of that happens, we start with these. These bins have been purchased in bulk at garage sales, at thrift stores, from online marketplaces. So these are bins that we still have to go through. Mind you, we still have some very large ones as well, but these are the ones that could fit on the rack. We then sort them into color. And these are all things getting ready to be super sorted. These ones up here are the ones who have already been super sorted. For the most part, they are black and the grays, but there are too many of them to be put on the smaller racks. And then up there, we have some sets to sell. And this is our manuals, so our instruction manuals. We have these sorted out by number. These are the ones that are recent that need to go in there. And then here's another pile that still needs to be sorted as well. Then we go over here. You can see we have some boxes. And there's our lids, actually. For the most part, we break these down. In fact, I think this huge bin underneath are boxes. And then over here, we have some non-Lego pieces that we've found within our bins. So these are Mega Bloks, things of that sort. So thank you for watching Let's Pretend Kids. If you like this video and want to see others like it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for joining us. Bye!